Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today, this is video number 3 from my Showstoppers 2 showing the triple oval accordion die set. This is it here. So you get 11 dies, you get your main plate and then all your mats and layers, which I'll talk you through in a moment. I'm also using it with the new Build 'em Up Flowers and Leaves Stamper die set. The new paper pad here, which is gorgeous. It's 8x8 pad, 4 each of 6 designs, 190 GSM. And I'm using the large modern numbers. So in the die set you get your main plate here. You will need a larger die machine for this one because it's 7 inches on the width there. For this double showstopper style you'll want to cut this twice. Now if you've just joined on this video, I've already shared this one here. This is video number 1, which shows you this card die set in its most simplest form. So you can create this really nice simple gatefold, and I've got a matching belly band as well. So I show you that, and the playlist will be linked here and also at the end of the video. In video number 2, I show you how to extend the sides so you can create this style here. And when it folds, you've got your panels on the front there. Okay. And then for this one, we're going to double it up some more. So I've already stuck all the mats and layers down here. So in the set, you get your mat and layer dies here for all of these sections. You get your mats and layers here for these sections. You get your thicker mats and layers for these sections here, which are on the first card. So this one here, you can see them used. I'm not going to need them on this one because we're extending everything. And then you've got all of your oval mats and layers. So 3 of them will nest really nicely together. Okay. And then one of them is slightly taller. This one here is to cover these outer sections. Okay, so when they fold in, they cover the middle. Plus the middle one's a little bit shorter because it's been cut away from the top there. But these 3 will fit perfectly in the middle. However, the middle 2, or the 2 smaller ones, will mat and layer onto that other one. So I've cut myself. Got to remember the order that I'm doing all this now. So what's going to happen is we're going to join this in the middle here. And we're going to join it using one of these here, and you'll see that that fits perfectly over the top. Okay, I've then got another one to go behind it on the back, but we can do that once it's stuck down. I've then cut myself, got to remember the layout that I wanted to do this. So we've got the 2 pattern pieces are going to go either side here. In the middle we're going to have big birthday, big number, big card. So that will go on top. Okay. And then on the outside, hopefully I'm all in shot. This one is going to go here. Okay. And then again down here. Just shift along just so we can get pretty much all of it in. And then I'm going to have the numbers 65. So I pop these up on some foam and I've cut them in silver and in yellow and just offset the yellow slightly so you can see the silver frame, and I've added my accent glaze. And the 6 and the 5 are going to sit in each of these here. Now, did I decide to do them on? No, I've changed my mind already. No, actually, I tell a lie. They're going on this one, like so. They're going on top of the floral design. And then I've got these ones here, which are going to be layered up, and they're going to go on the very end, like so. Then I've got these ones here. So I've already stuck them there, but you've got the floral, and then the gingham, and then the floral, and then the gingham, finishing with the floral. Okay. So you can see how big this card is going to be, but it's beautiful. So first of all, I'm going to stick down this. So I will show you the best way to do this one, and then I'll stick all the other mats in there, and then I'll speed it up and stick all the other mats and layers down, and then show you how to just do the back. So you're just going right the way around the edge, like so. Keep them together, and then I would just focus on sticking one down first. So this is exactly the same size as this one here, so all you want to do is just lay that down and make sure you got it right up to the edges on both sides, and just bring this across. And now I'm going to focus on lining up the bottom here and the top, and just butt them right up, and you'll see that will just sit nicely over the other side. and just give that, make sure it's flush with the bottom. You don't want your card wobbling. There we go. So whilst that is drying, I'm going to stick everything else down. So this is how it looks displayed. I thought I'd keep it folded like this so you can see. And I realised I don't think I've shown you the folds, although if you've watched the other two, then you'll know. But that's how it looks. It's gorgeous. It's so, so pretty. Now, flip it over, and I've got another one of these, and you want to stick that one on the back there. You also want to, I would recommend cutting another two to cover the ends, the end ones as well. I will do that later. Now, I'm also not going to decorate all the outside because I think this one possibly, yeah, I think I'm going to do a belly band. So that one there, just to support it, like I said, cut two more there, but flip it back again. So to fold, if I show you this one, so that's when you've cut it. You want to fold over like so, those sides, so you've got your gatefold. And then in the middle, you've got these score lines here. So you just pinch those up and fold those. And then you'll have score lines either side of the centre oval. So you just want to fold those under, and then it will all pop out. The middle one on this, because of the way that we've stuck this, that won't do that. But these, you can see this portion of the cards. You can see how it sticks out, and then the oval sticks out. And again on the other side there. So when it lays flat, you can see how that all works. Now to fold it, you just simply fold the sides and then fold one over the other. Now this one, like I said, I think I'm going to do a belly band for it, or it's going to go in one of my box envelopes because it has got a lot of dimension. And I've got the 5x7 box envelopes, but they're on my other channel, so I will link those. Oh, make sure that's not caught there. But there you have it, the monster. I think this is the biggest showstopper I've got. But what I like is that it all folds down to that 5x7 size. If you don't want to fold it down to that size, you can, what could you do? You could just do, you could do two, so it could be like that, so then it'd be 10x7 envelope. And I've got the gift bag envelopes for that. So have a little play around, but I love how once you've done the initial folds, it kind of remembers which way, you know, it all needs to be when it's displayed. This is the belly band that I made in the first video. So it's really OTT, but if you imagine, again, when that is all folded like so, and then you've got your belly band like that. I think it's a lovely keepsake as well. So that is my double oval accordion showstopper card. You will find all of the other ones in the playlist. So like I said, that'll be coming up now. You'll also have all the other cards that I've made in my showstoppers as well. That will be coming up. Links to all of the products will be here. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, but you've enjoyed today and you want to see future tutorials, click the subscribe button there, and then you won't miss out on any future videos. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.